My name is Blue Ranefeld. I'm with the Potts Law Firm. I specialize in eminent domain and condemnation matters in the state of Texas. Right now, there's a lot of properties across the state of Texas that are being condemned. Specifically, what will happen in a condemnation process typically happens is a letter will be received from the condemning authority identifying you as a landowner that is subject to a condemnation matter. Once this letter is received, what the condemnation authorities will attempt to do is attempt to obtain survey permission and or environmental engineering studies on your property. Once they obtain that information, you will oftentimes be visited by a landman or receive an initial offer letter from the condemning authority. Once the initial offer letter is received, they oftentimes give you 30 days to respond to that letter and ask for the authority to do a further survey on your property, giving you meets and bounds descriptions of your property. Once that has been accomplished, they will then try to negotiate with you to settle on your property. If you do not settle at that time, then the condemning authority will oftentimes send out a second offer letter and or a final offer letter, in which if you don't respond to within the time prescribed, they then have the right to condemn your property and take it through condemnation process. That condemnation process usually includes a commissioner's court hearing where each side is allowed to present evidence to what they think the fair market value of the property is. If both parties do not like or one or the other party does not like the outcome of the commissioner's court, it can be appealed to the county court or district court of that county. When that is then appealed to the district court or the county court of that county, it is subject to the same rules of evidence of any other trials. What we do at the Potts Law Firm is we provide the resources, manpower, and experts necessary to effectively fight for your rights in the condemnation matter. We effectively do this by hiring the best experts, using the best legal counsel that specialize in condemnation. It is very important that you hire an attorney that handles condemnation matters and specializes in condemnation matters, because it is a very unique area of the law. The types of compensation that you might be entitled to in an eminent domain situation is compensation for the fair market value of your property. This is subject to many different interpretations of what fair market value is, and this is why you need experts and the resources behind you to make sure that you get the maximum value for your property. It's our belief that you should hire effective legal counsel, and at the Potts Law Firm we strive to provide that effective counsel for you to represent you in your eminent domain and condemnation matters.